Hello everyone, my name is Alisha. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to give you a tour of my Dublin house. As you all know, I have moved to my new house and today is my last day of shifting. So I just thought of making a video. As you know, Dublin houses are very expensive and this house is very close to city center and this house was very close to my hospital. So I'm going to give you a tour of this house and I'll show you around. So guys, this is the entrance and then we have all the letterboxes here and it's an apartment, so there is a notice board where all the notices are being pasted if there is anything important or anything like that, and some fire action, some fire instructions here, and then and this is how the entrance looked like. I'll show you the entrance gate. So that was the gate from where I entered, and here is the bedroom. So that's the bedroom here, and there is a window for ventilation, a beautiful painting, and that's a double bed, and there is a good storage to keep all your clothes and everything. So in this apartment, only bedroom has carpet and rest it's all flooring. And if you are somebody who is watching me from a long time, you might know that there is a place. So this is the place where I used to sit. So I used to sit on my bed. I'll keep my camera here and I have shot most of the videos here. So that's the location. I'm gonna miss this. So this is what it looks like. And other location where I have shot most of my videos is this wardrobe. So I used to sit here on floor, and most of my videos were shot in front of these cupboards. Would you believe that? So what I usually used to do, I will sit here and I'll keep my tripod here, and I think most of my videos were shot with this background. So yes, this is like a desi jugaad. So I have shot most of my videos here and I'm so proud of it, because now I have moved into my own house and I have a dedicated place. I have actually 2 or 3 dedicated places in that house to shoot videos, so you'll get different backgrounds all the time. यहाँ पे मैं ये भी कहूँगी कि hard work का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है. So finally hard work. Okay, now I'll show you the next room. So that's the drawing area and kitchen. So I'll show you the kitchen first. So this is the kitchen, and to be honest, so I went for a lot of viewing when I was looking for a house and I found this house very clean and bright. So kitchen has a washing machine and plenty of storage, as you can see. And then it's a double door fridge. And these all things provided by landlord. So in most of the houses here, landlord will provide you a toaster, an electric kettle, oven, microwave and washing machine. In some places there will be no washing machine, so just be careful, because then you will end up paying for the laundry, and I wouldn't advise that, because if you are somebody who works in a hospital, you need to have a washing machine in your house. So that's my kitchen, and I love the way it has plenty of storage and everything. So this is the drawing area or sitting area, and I have my last bit of suitcase and few packages which I have to move into my new house. Rest everything belongs here. So I got 2-seater sofa, table and dining table chairs and a television, which I never used because I have no time to use telly and I don't like watching telly. So this is the area, and sometime, if you might remember, so that's me here. So sometime, if you remember, I have shot few videos here. So that was my favorite video location when it's nice and sunny, because I have a window here. So if I'm shooting video here, I don't need any more light because that's the normal sunlight. So if you remember, I have shot a lot of videos here as well, in this place and in this place. A lot of videos and pictures in this place. So that's the outside view. Not really nice, but sometimes you can really witness nice sunset and sunrise from here. And then this house actually runs with electric heating, so it has no gas heating. So I have one radiator here, and that was the telly which I've already shown you. And another radiator is in here, so that's the one. But I really don't like electric heating because it takes a lot of time to heat up the house. Okay, I'll show you washroom now. So that's the washroom here. So that's the washroom here. It has a bath cabinet and commode, obviously, and this thing. So if you are new in Ireland, this thing is to dry your towels and your little clothes. So there is a switch here. You can just turn on this switch and this thing will turn hot. It will not be extremely hot, but it will be hot enough to dry your clothes. And then there is a shower cabinet. That's again me. And wash basin. There's a bit of storage here. And then if you go out, that's the bedroom, dining area and kitchen. And then there is this tiny boiler room where you can keep your shoes, cleaning products, vacuum. So I have few small little things here, my iron board, iron, and few cleaning products, and another cleaning products here. And there is another storage at the top of which there is a vacuum provided by landlord. By the way, my landlord was lovely and I never ever had any complaint with landlord or with anything. Like, he was very nice. So that was my Dublin house tour, and I lived in this house for so long, so I literally have some emotions attached to this house. So I hope whosoever will live after me will enjoy this house as much as I did. And I'll tell you the rent of this house. So this house is very close to city center. This house is only 10 minutes walk to Dublin city center. So the location of this house is something which makes this house very expensive. So if you're planning to rent a one-bedroom house in anywhere near to city center or in city center, a house like this would cost you somewhere 1600 to 1800 euros per month. It would depend what all amenities and what all things you're getting with the house, because in some houses bin would be included, in some houses car parking would be included, in some houses gas or electricity, these are different, and in some houses electricity and heating would be one. So it just varies according to the house type. So if you're planning to rent one bedroom house in Dublin, it would cost you somewhere around 1600 to 1800 euros, because rent is very high in Dublin city center and places which is close to city center. It's time to say bye to all of you and to this house where I lived for so long and built so many memories. And I hope now you might have an idea what renting a place looks like in Dublin, and rent and everything, how does it look like. So guys, that's all about today's video, and I'm sorry for the shaky video because as I told you, I have shifted most of my stuff and today is my last day of shifting, so I don't have any tripod with me. So sorry for the shaky video, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in next one.